All right, this is going to be the second lesson for Hotel California Unplugged by the Eagles. This is when they got back together in the 90s, did the Hell Freezes Over tour, and they had a cool unplugged version of this. So we're going to look at the verse at this point. Okay, so that's our B minor chord. Now, normally that would have a capo on it. Since we're doing classical guitars on this, we got to fret all these notes. So we're going 7 on the big one, 9 on the 4th to 7 on the 3rd. So it's, and then 2nd string, 3rd to 1st. And you're going to end with a 7-9 on the G string. So it's. Now we're going to move to the F sharp chord. We're going to get in this shape here, 8-9, 7-9. So it's going to go. So we went up, dum, da, dum, ding, and then I'm going to go to that 9th fret, F sharp bass, and I go to the 2nd string, and back. So. Now here we have to make this A shape. It's a little strange here. So we went straight up, and then 3rd string to 2nd, back to 3rd. Now here we're going to go, this is part of an E chord here. Okay, so this is a tough stretch. 11, 9, 7. And if you need to, you could pull the 11 and the 9 out at that point. And just get those 7s. That was 2nd string, 3rd to 1st. So now we're going to go to the 10, 9, 7. And that's 8, 7, 7 there. Little riff here, very similar to the original. 10 on the 5th string, 7 to 9 on the D, 7 on the G. So this one was. Now we're going to D. We're going to have 7s here. To the 10. Da-da-dum, da-da. Kind of wait a little bit and hit the D string going down 3 strings and then 2 strings. So it's. Now we're going to come to this shape here. E minor chord, it's kind of like an E minor 7 right there. So 9, 7, 7, 8, 7, 7. And then we're going to go to the final F sharp. We're going to do it a little different though. We're going to have 9 on the 5th string with 9, 7, 9 down here. So that was bass and then 3rd string twice. 2nd, 3rd, 1st. Okay, so the whole thing we got. And then we go to that A shape. And then this is the 11, 9, 7 for the E. And then 10, 9, 7 for the G. You got that 8 in there. And then D. E minor. And then F sharp with that new shape. Okay, so whenever there's a verse, you can play all that kind of stuff. So here goes a quick little solo by Joe Walsh right here. We're going to come in on this. Okay, and what's really interesting about this solo is, say this first chord is a B minor. Well, he's going to play the D note of a B minor. So he's always playing a note, kind of the most interesting note of the chord, never really the root note. So it makes it sound really cool. So we got B minor chord, he's going to go 5, and then 2, 4 in the D, to the 2. Now look at that one, that's an F sharp 7 chord. He's using the flat 7 of that, the E of the F sharp 7. So real cool note choices. So once again, we had 5, 2, 4, 2, and then hammer on pull off, O, 2, O in the D, to 4 on the A string. And then we're going to hit that 4 again over the A chord. That's its major 3rd. 4, 5, 7. We're going to take that 7 down to the 2. That's a B note of the E chord. And then he goes to the G chord and he stays on the B because B is also in the G chord. So once again, from the top we got. Two again. 4 to 5 to 0. Then A again. Quick slide 2 to 4 in the D to the open D, and then 2 the E note. He finally hits an actual root note, and then 4 5. And then cool little classical type of bit here. Hammer on pull off, another pull off, and back into that 4. So it's. Okay, and then you'd be into another verse. Now there's some fills as the verses progress. We're gonna have 9 and 7 here on the D and G. Okay, stuff like that. So we got 9 and 7. And then we're gonna go 6 and 5 on the 3rd and 2nd strings. So we do it twice and hammer into the 7s. And then we go 8 and 6. And then we go 7 and 6. And then 3 and 4. We're gonna slide into the 6 and 5. Go to the 6 and 4. And then we're gonna go 5 and 4. And then 2s. So 2s hammer into 4 and 3. Then we go 4 and 2 on the D and G. So you can have some little fills in this one. Kind of 4, 2, and then the bottom 2 strings. 2, 3, 2 a little bit there at the end. And then we're gonna have E. Okay, so this is similar to the intro solo that I did in the lesson part 1 of Unplugged. So this is gonna be 2 with little opens, 2 on the D, so, and then G to B strings. And then 4, 2, open, open, 5, 4, open, open, and then the 5 and 4. So it's, and then we're F sharp. Okay, so that's 2, and then 3rd string. We have a 3 on the 3rd string and a 2 on the bottom 2. 3, 2, 3, little 2, and then into the chorus. We got big 2. 1, 2, 4, 5, and that's the D note of a G chord right there. Then we're gonna get into the, so that's 7s on the D, G, and B. You got your 9, 7, 8, back to 7s, and then take those 2, slide them, come back to the chord, back to the 7. So, and then we're F sharp. So just kind of up the chord, 3, 2, 3, and then a little 3-note chord, and then 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, little hammer there, 4 to 5. Then we're gonna have, okay, so a little bit different than what they did on the electric version. So you got 1, so it's after the 1, you can hit 10 and 9 twice. Second one, you slide to 8 and 7. Da da dee da da. So it's, and you go down to the 7 and 5. Then we have E minor. Okay, so D to G strings after the E. 2nd, 3rd, 1st, and then F sharp. So we did the 2, and then 4, 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, then we have a solo by Joe Walsh coming up. So we have, okay, so real cool stuff. We got 3, 4, 6 on the G string, 5 on the 2nd, a couple of those 5s, and then D, 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 da, 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 da. So it's kind of a triplet feel. So 5, 5, 5, 3 to 2 to 5, 3, 2. And then we have some chords. So let's look at that again. We got, and then, so we do the top of a B, 7s, top of an A, 6, 5, 5, top of a G, 4, 3, 3, and then F sharp, 3, 2, 2. So, and then we have, so 9, 10, 12, 12, 12, 12. So that one's quick one, 16th notes. 12, 10, 9, 12 on the 2nd. 10, 9, 12, 10 to 9, 9, 9. And then we're gonna have 2 9s up here in the A and D and hammer into that 11. Okay, then we have a, so interesting phrase here. We got 2 to 3, open 2, open D, back to the 4 here, 2 here, quick one there, 4 to 5 to 4, 2 to open, 4, hammer there, 2, 4, 4. So check out the tab on this. You got, and then we have reverse rakes on the E minor chord. So try to do the first 4 strings, and then the next 4, and then the next 4, and then one more chord. So it's like, and then F sharp. And then when you do this F sharp, kind of hit the power chord, and then rake up 4 strings, and then switch to the pinky out, so you get that dominant 7 sound come through right there. Okay, so Joe's solo again is. And then Don Felder has a solo. Okay, so he starts on the 4, the G string, does a hammer-on pull-off and go down to that 3 there, then back to the 4-6, 3-5-6 there, so, and this is 7-8-7-5-7. So some great stuff coming up in here. So we got, then we're gonna go 7-9 on the G, and then 7 on the second string, 7-8-7-5, and then 5-7-5-3, 3-5-3-2 to the 4 there, and then we have 3-2 open going up those 3 strings. Second string, 12-14, 12-11, little 14 there. And then we're gonna have a 12 go down at the end on the D string. Okay, so we have a triplet feel. We got 7 on the D, 2 7s on the second string, and then 7-5-5-5-3-3, 2-4-2, 1 on the G string. So when we get to that 1, there we got 3 here, 3-5-3-2, 2-3-2-0, 2-1 on the G, little E open. So let's look at Don solo again. We got, now we're gonna have a 2-4 on the D. Then we have a 5-7-5-4-5. And then 7 on the D to 4 on the G. We have that same type of 4-6, 4-3, 4-6. This time we're gonna go 3-5 in the second, little 3. Then we have, so we have 5 and 3 to 7-5. 2 more of those, and then slide that into the 8-7 back. So it's, now here we have some cool runs here, some chromatic things. 0-2-3-4 in the D, 0-2-3-4 in the G, 0-2-3, and then we're gonna finish with, okay, that's gonna be the end of his solo. So let's take it slow. We got, okay, so 0-2-3-4, 0-2-3-4, 0-2-3, and then 5 open on the second to the G, 3 open on the E to the B string there. So it's, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 12, little 12, 10, 12 goes down, and then we have, now we have, so 2, 2, 3, 2, 0 to that 3 there, quick hammer, 0 to 2 to 0, so 3 here, and then 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, and then 3, 2, 3, 5, and then we're into a new harmony bit. This is lower than what they would do on electric guitars in the original version. Joe Walsh has got the same, he's got the same part that he would normally have, but Don Felder has a different one. So his solo is going to end with, So that's 7-3 on the second to 4 on the third. Now that 4 is also open, so it's hard to reach. But we're gonna do 5 of those, and then 5, 2, 3, and then 4 into 6, and then 5, 2, 2 5 times, and then 3, 0, 1, 2 to 4, and then 3, 0, 0 5 times, and then 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, open to 2, and then 0, 0, 2, E minor. Now you can have a quick 3 to 4 after that 5 set. Okay, that's getting us into the end. So we had 3 to 4 real quick. 2, 3, 4, and then 3 to open to 4 in the D. 5 to open on the second to 4 in the D. 7 to 3, and then 3, 2, 3, 5. B minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's look at Don's solo one more time. We got. Okay, then we got the 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2 to 4 there, 3, open, open, 3, 2, 4, 0, 0, 2. All right, Hotel California Unplugged. This is the second lesson. Go check out the first one if you want to get that intro solo figured out. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. Got tabs with this. We'll talk to y'all soon. Have a good one.